Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an inclined heart, but I'm going to do this one with some liquid dye and some ice dye. So to begin, I've already marked the middle of the front of my shirt and the middle of the back of my shirt. And now I'm just putting both of my sleeves together. I'm nesting them inside of each other. And I'm going to isolate the front of my shirt and isolate the back of my shirt and put both of those together. So I want the middle of the front of my shirt and the middle of the back of my shirt right up next to each other, both of those seams, one on top of the other. I'm making sure I have them lined up really well and all my wrinkles are smoothed out. After I'm sure I have it lined up exactly the way I want it, then I'm going to use a stencil to draw a heart on the front of this shirt. I've just cut a stencil out of some plastic cutting board that I got at the dollar store, and I'm using a washable marker to trace around it. Now that the heart is traced onto my shirt, I'm going to begin to fan fold it starting from the top. Once it's fully fan folded, I'm going to tie it up with some sinew. Then, just right outside of the first sinew line for my heart, I'm going to tie one more small line of sinew. You don't have to put the second sinew line. I just like the way it looks to have a little extra line of white going around my heart. The rest of my shirt, I'm going to go ahead and just fan fold it and tie it up with some kite string. Okay, now that our shirt is ready to start dyeing, I'm going to do both liquid and ice dyeing on this shirt. I'm also going to dye this at an incline. So to do that, I've taken a piece of plastic guttering, put one end of it down inside of a plastic tub, and left the other end of the guttering hanging over the end of the tub. That's inclining my shirt. Then I'm just going to stick my shirt down inside the guttering and begin to put the dye on. For the heart area, I'm going to use liquid dye and I'm going to dye it with some grape. I'm going to do both the front and the back of the heart area. Now I'm going to start adding the powdered dye to do the ice dyeing. I'm going to begin with lavender, and then I'm going to add another row of lavender probably about halfway down the shirt, because I'm going to end up repeating these colors on the shirt twice. So again, I'm going to begin with lavender, followed by Custom Colors Purple, Hydrangea, and Custom Colors Grape. Then I'm going to put a layer of soda ash and ice on the shirt. After a few hours, I came back and all the ice had melted, and my video camera failed. I tried to record this, but it did not do it properly, so I'm very sorry. But I turned the shirt over, and all on the back of the shirt, I put Liquid Imperial Purple from Dharma. I just put a light coat all on the back side of the shirt. Then I turned the shirt back over in the guttering to the front side where I put my powdered dyes, and I just added another layer of ice. And I continued to let it process for probably about 24 hours after this second layer of ice melted. Alright, so here's how our shirt turned out. I really like this one. I like that added dimension that the darker color on the back gives the shirt. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you're enjoying them, would you please subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching.